Alright, well, I decided that I wanted to come out here and try and find the cam. And look at that, I found it. It was hiding underneath there, so. And so basically we're going to have to take this off and impact that bolt off because I need that. Then we'll put the comp cam in. Right there. We'll put that in and make sure it spins freely. If it spins freely, then we're good to go. If it doesn't, I'm gonna cry a little bit. So let's get this done. Alright, well I got the cam in there and it spins. It's kind of hard. I don't know if it's just because I don't have like very much leverage, because it spins just fine, you know, like this. Maybe just because it's hard to grab onto, but I mean it takes some force. I don't know how easy it's supposed to spin. I'll find out when I take that motor apart and then see how well that one spins. But I did lube the shit out of this one, so I don't know if maybe that makes a difference. And then we got in back here. We'll probably just throw this guy in real quick here. Clean it up real quick, throw some lube on it, and put it in. So let's do that. Alright, well today wasn't a crazy long video, but we got my comp cam from Wide Open Throttle Technologies, Stage 2 Turbo Cam. Let's see, does it got anything fancy? I wouldn't even know what the hell any of this shit means. But here's let's see if we can, nope, it's all backwards. But yeah, it's I'll have it linked in the description. And then I used wide cam bearings from Wide Open Throttle as well. But yeah, wasn't that bad from a first cam install. It's a little worrying. The cam bearings were pretty scary, so because it's just one of those things where if you fuck it up, you can't exactly. You gotta go fucking buy a new one or buy a whole new set because you can't just buy one at a time. So but yeah, probably in the next video, maybe, we'll see. I'm going to tear apart this old motor right here so I can use it as a visual reference as to how some of the timing crap goes on. I'll probably just use this old one too, which kind of sucks because it's really dirty, and I have like a really nice clean one like down there. But I'll try and clean it as best as I can, I guess. And or if it's something that's, I guess, easy, we can always just swap everything over, but it's just a matter of what I have. So but yeah, alright, that's gonna be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.